Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. Well, I got like 8 inches of snow here in Hendersonville, North Carolina this weekend. And it's, I guess it's January the 16th and 17th, somewhere around there. So, sorry for the wind. Hopefully I don't pick up the mic too bad, but take a look at this snow. Ooh, wait. Well, I got to get shoveling and get it so I can get maneuvering so I can get out tomorrow for work. But alright guys, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit after I get done shoveling a little bit, and we'll see how it all goes. But it's 8 inches, could be 9 inches and some 9-10 inches. So alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Digging this out, so let's go take a look here. And my neighbor's cleaning out the road. Seriously doubt the state with this much snow, and they're down to 80%. Gotta be getting out of this. See my neighbors clearing out the road. Neighbors out, got his Kubota out, digging snow for everybody. One neighbor got his car out here. It was stuck earlier. So it looks beautiful though. It's 8 to 9 inches. And you know, one part of the county, it said on the news that it got 15 inches. So, well, guys, I figured I'd let you look at the snow here. Look at it. Well, there's my snow. I'm not going to get out today. I'm just going to here and enjoy the warmth of my house. I'll probably come out and walk around, clear a little bit more of the snow. But it is downright beautiful to look at. But I got to get out and work on some things tomorrow, so get to work. Fortunately, they called off work today, which is rare. So, well, I want you guys to, well, you guys can comment below, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and well, you know, I do some cooking videos and taste test videos, and some sightseeing adventure videos as well, and an occasional vlog like this. So, alright guys, I want you to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys later.